So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can change the time format on your noise smartwatches. To do this process you need to install the noise fit application from the Play Store, or in case if you are using an iOS device you have to download it from the App Store. Once you download it you have to first pair your noise smartwatch with it. It's a one-way process. Once you do that, now whenever you open the noisefit application, this is the home page of noisefit. It will look something like this. Now here you need to go to this option of my devices. On the below here you're gonna see 4 5 options, and on the last one it says my device. Just simply click there. Now this is the settings of your particular device. It may be different, but most of the interface will be same for you if you have some different devices, like some different version of smartwatch. Now to change the time format, here you need to scroll down till the last. You find the option of device settings. Over here you're gonna see it's just right there. When you click there, now from here you can see the device time and it says sync time, and here you're gonna see 12 hours. When you click on it you're gonna see there is two more options, like if I want a 12 hours format or 24-hour format. I just simply select it as per my convenience and hit save. Now once it's done, the syncing of this particular time management will be synced to my noise smartwatch, and this will be updated over there also. So by this method you can easily change the time format on your noise smartwatch. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.